My father's full name was Joseph Kligman. He had a middle name, Israel, but he didn't use it, and most people didn't even know that he had that as a middle name. He was just over 5 feet tall, typical for many people of his generation who came from Europe, who probably didn't eat well as a child. Not really rotund. He became a little bit rotund later on in life. He was a good dresser. Because he was short, he needed to have custom-made suits and shirts. And we didn't have a lot of money, but if we had one good garment, that stood us well. And so I remember going with him to the tailor and watching a suit being fitted for him, and he would pick a fabric, he would ask my opinion, what I thought. It wasn't in a foppish way, it was just in totally good taste. I remember as a child him smoking a pack of Players cigarettes a day. And I played with the silver paper from the Players cigarettes, because that was the style in the 50s, was the Humphrey Bogart look. Unfortunately, my mother developed lung cancer, not the smoking type, and he quit cold turkey and lived a full lifespan. My mother unfortunately didn't, and she died in 1956. I was 10 years old at the time. It was a place where we had good meals and good times, but it became empty after my mother passed away. And my dad didn't want to remarry. And when I asked him why, he would say, "I don't want you to have a stepmother." He was a wonderful dad. He tried to play the role of both mother and father. He was great, but he was too strict, and I was a good girl and I listened most of the time. But he encouraged me to learn. That was the underlying theme in our household, learning.